Hi, my name is Wendy and I'm currently a full-time blogger and video content creator. Previous to running my own business, I helped many businesses large and small, including many leading international brands, with their social media and blogging strategies and implementations. I've grown fan pages from just 300 fans to over 25,000 fans in under a year, and I've also created my own blog that's now my full-time job. My blog currently attracts over 50,000 unique visitors a month, and I've now been able to grow a YouTube channel with over 10 million views on my channel. My whole business has been created from a simple blog, and I'm completely passionate about helping others create their own space on the internet, and it's not as hard as you think it is. And today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom blog in just 4 minutes. WordPress is a great blogging platform for businesses because you can add so much functionality to your websites. This can be done easily using plugins, which is like apps you can install onto your website. And you can also change the look of your website through thousands and thousands of themes available for free or for a small cost. Also, being a widely used content management system has its benefits, including lower maintenance costs and website errors compared to other platforms. In addition, you have access to a wider pool of developers and website managers with cost-effective services available through freelance sites like Odesk. The one thing I cannot emphasize as a social media consultant is that the most important thing is to get started. Having your content out there straight away means that search engines can start indexing your website immediately and start sending you visitors. This can make a huge difference, and it's something many people don't understand. Once you're receiving more visitors, you can redesign your website as you grow. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below, but right now I'm just going to jump straight into showing you how to create your website in 4 minutes. Click the link below to get started and choose your plan. I chose the domain name A Custom Blog in 4 minutes because it seemed appropriate. And then when you click next, just fill in your details. I've blacked out my details for privacy reasons, of course, and depending on how long it takes you to fill this form, it may take you longer than 4 minutes. But if you have Chrome, usually your details are saved and you can quickly pre-fill this form out. The great thing about this plan is that it's all bundled. Usually you have to purchase your domain name and hosting separately, and it could cost more than this in a year's time. This is value for money, especially for the simplicity. Next, you can choose what you'd like to include. I pretty much unticked everything because I don't need all these extra add-ons. It's up to you whether you want these add-ons, but most of the time you don't need them. So I'm going to go with a $3.49 plan for 36 months because this is the cheapest, and a blog is a long-term commitment. I just want to say some extra add-ons like Google Apps that you can see above is a really great addition. You can actually get an email that's at yourdomainname.com, so contact at yourcustomdomainname.com, and it's only $5 a month. A lot of businesses use it, and you can use Gmail to access your mail, so it's very easy and you don't need to sign up for anything else. And yep, just tick the terms and conditions and click next after you've filled in your credit card. And this part is some more upgrades, including extra domain names, which I'm going to skip. And now they're going to ask you to put in a password for your account, and remember to put this in a safe place. You can get them to generate a password because they want this to be a very complicated one. And then you want to log in with this new password into your account. Once you're logged in, just click the website tab above, and then you can start to install your WordPress site. So click install and install again, and then you'll be taken to the screen where they can confirm your domain name. If you want your blog to be your main site, click OK. Otherwise, you can do /blog and then click OK, and this will mean that your blog sits on custom domain name /blog. And once you're done, the first box allows you to change your website name and title and your username and password. I'm just going to take the default one, but just change the title of my blog. And write this down because you'll need it to log into your WordPress. So we're clicking next and waiting for it to load. And then it's going to take you to an install screen with a status bar, and while it's installing, they're going to show you a bunch of WordPress themes that you could buy and install into your blog. but I'm just going to skip this step now. But while we're waiting, I'm just going to show you some really cool themes that you can get just for $49, and I'm just going to give you a live preview of it. They're very, very nice and very inexpensive and very easy to install. So this is what your blog could look like once you installed this theme. Don't worry about the design for now. Let's just get straight to posting our first blog post, because it's all about getting started. So once we're done, you can click view credentials to go to the page, and then it will show you that your website's ready. And when you press view, you can go down and it'll give you access details. You can screenshot this or write this down, but your admin URL is where you log in. And so put in that username and password that they showed you previously, and we're into our blog. It's done. It's that simple. And we're going to click our new post button to do our first new blog post. You can explore this interface a bit later on. It's really, really simple. It's pretty much a WYSIWYG editor, which is a what you see, what you get editor. So it's very easy to use. And if you can see the top, it's kind of like Word. So you can bold and italic and do everything that you normally do in Word. And I'm just going to type a quick blog post to show you guys and click post to show you what my new site will look like. So let's go to the site, and that's my blog. It's a very simple theme at the moment. Like I showed you, you can get complicated themes later. At this point, your site's not live yet, so you can tweak it however you like. And before I finish, I want to show you how easy it is to change your WordPress theme. And what I'm going to do is go to the themes section here, and then you can see all the installed themes already, and these are all free. And if you want to change it and you want to see what it looks like, there's a preview button for you to have a look at what it will look like on your blog before you commit. There's also a extra themes section if you want to install any new paid themes or premium themes. And in the store, you can preview all the themes before you buy it, which is amazing. Once you've committed to a theme, you either install a new theme and then you click activate. And once you've activated it, it will be live on your site. And it's that simple to change your design. Once you finish tweaking it, all you need to do is click the dashboard, and you'll see a message that says your site is currently displaying a coming soon page. Once you're ready to launch your site, click here. So click that once you're done and you want it to go live, and we're finished. So that's it. I created a blog in 4 minutes. I hope this tutorial helps you guys get started on your new blog. Creating a custom blog is not as hard as it seems, and sometimes getting started is the hardest step. You can save hundreds of dollars by using a service like Bluehost to create your blog, and it's by far the easiest way to create a custom blog for those that have never done it before. I've used so many other hosting and domain buying sites, and they're usually quite complicated, and it took me a long time to figure out what I was doing because they aren't designed for beginners with no previous website knowledge. It doesn't matter what you choose to get started as long as you get started. So if the only reason why you haven't started your blog is because you thought it was too complicated, then there's no excuse now. You won't regret taking the first step because a blog has proven to open so many doors for businesses, and it's one of the best investment decisions you can make for your business. I've placed links to everything I've mentioned today, and you'll receive a special discount of over $2 a month if you access Bluehost via the link below in the description box. And I wish you the best of luck with your blog.